Are you feeling lost? Do you ever look at your life and wonder if anyone even sees your struggle? If you've been praying for a sign, for any hint that you haven't been forgotten, this is it. Stop scrolling. This message isn't a coincidence. It was meant for you. Hear this now, my beloved child. I see you. I see the quiet tears you cry when you think no one's watching. I see the weight on your shoulders and the burden you carry behind a smile that doesn't quite reach your eyes. You feel adrift, like a ship without a rudder tossed on the waves of life. The nights are long and the silence can be deafening, echoing the questions in your heart. Am I all alone in this? Has God forgotten about me? You look around and see others getting the very things you pray for, and a shadow of doubt creeps in, whispering that you've been overlooked, that you're less than, that you're forgotten. I know the weariness that's settled deep into your bones. It's the exhaustion that comes from striving, from holding on, from trying to be strong for everyone else while you feel like you're crumbling inside. You've faced trials and hardships, moments of confusion that have tested your faith. You've been pressed on every side, perplexed by the turns your life has taken, and at times you've felt struck down. You've pleaded, you've questioned, and you've wondered why I've allowed the hurt to go on for so long. It feels like you're walking through a wasteland, praying for a single drop of rain, for a sign that I'm still with you. The path has been hard, marked by disappointment, and you've started to wonder if your prayers are just echoing in an empty heaven. Let me quiet that fear. I haven't forgotten you. I have never forgotten you. You are not invisible to me. In the moments you feel the most unseen, I am there, closer than your own breath. I brought you here, to this exact message, at this exact moment. It's not by chance. I've heard your cries, the righteous cry out, and the Lord hears them. He delivers them from all their troubles. I am the God who sees you, the one who knows your every hurt and your every hope. And I'm telling you now, my precious child, your season of silent suffering is coming to an end. The very places in your life where you feel the most forgotten are the parts of your story I'm about to use in the most powerful way. This wasn't a delay, it was a divine setup. I'm doing a new thing, can't you see it? Your breakthrough isn't just a distant hope, it's a present reality that's starting to unfold. My beloved, I know you feel like your strength is failing, but my power is made perfect in weakness. The joy of the Lord is your strength. You see weakness, but I see a warrior. You have endured. You have persevered. Even when your heart was heavy, you held on to a sliver of faith. That suffering produced a perseverance you didn't know you had. That perseverance forged character, and that character has created a hope that can't be put to shame. Every day you chose to get up and try again was a victory. Every moment you held on to faith while doubt was screaming was an act of spiritual warfare. You aren't defined by your setbacks. You are a reflection of my resilience. Don't be discouraged, for I am your God. I'll strengthen you and help you. I'll uphold you with my righteous right hand. I haven't given you a spirit of fear, but of power, love, and a sound mind. You've been walking through fire, but you have to know that I'm in the fire with you. I am your refuge and your strength, an ever-present help in trouble. So you don't have to be afraid, even if the earth gives way and the mountains fall into the heart of the sea. The challenges you face won't overpower you, because I am your defense. You've wondered about the purpose behind your pain. You've asked why this journey has been so difficult. Know this. This wasn't punishment, it was preparation. I didn't allow these trials to break you, but to build you. I had to let your roots grow deeper, so you could handle a greater blessing. I was forging in you the integrity needed to sustain what you asked me for. I was molding you into a vessel fit for glory. These light and momentary troubles are achieving for you an eternal glory that far outweighs them all. So fix your eyes not on what is seen, which is temporary, but on what is unseen, which is eternal. Your story is about to turn. If you believe and receive this message of hope, if you feel this word speaking to your spirit, type Amen in the comments right now to affirm your faith and declare you're ready for your breakthrough. And now, my child, your miracle is here. The season of waiting is giving way to a season of receiving. I am the God of the breakthrough. I'm the one who parts the Red Sea, who makes a way in the wilderness and rivers in the desert. I am going before you to level the mountains and make the crooked places straight. The door I'm opening for you is one that no one can shut. I know the anxiety you've carried over your finances, but honor me, trust me, and watch as I open the storehouses of heaven. Your barns will be filled to overflowing. I'll meet all your needs according to my glorious riches. Release that spirit of lack and scarcity, because I am your provider. I know the deep ache of loneliness in your soul. You felt abandoned and rejected, but I am bringing divine alignment into your relationships. I will surround you with people who speak life into you, who will love you with a pure heart. Some people had to leave for you to step into your new season. That wasn't rejection. It was my protection and preparation. I have loved you with an everlasting love, with unfailing love. I have drawn you to myself. The fear about your future has weighed you down, but don't be anxious about anything. I know the plans I have for you. Plans to prosper you and not to harm you. Plans to give you a hope and a future. Don't let your heart be troubled or afraid. I give you my peace, a peace that goes beyond all understanding and will guard your heart and your mind. Trust in me with all your heart. Don't lean on your own understanding. In all your ways submit to me, and I will make your paths straight. I'm healing the trauma. I'm restoring the years that were stolen. The old is gone, the new has come. What the enemy meant for evil, I am turning for your good. The shame is being washed away. The disappointment is being replaced with my divine purpose. My beloved child, let these final words settle deep into your soul. Can a mother forget the baby at her breast and have no compassion on the child she has born? Though she may forget, I will not forget you. See, I have engraved you on the palms of my hands. You are precious to me, cherished, the apple of my eye. Don't look back at the chapter that's now closed. Stop replaying old battles in your mind. I'm not holding your past against you. I'm holding your future in my hands. You are stepping out of chaos and into your calling. Let go and let me lead. Let go of the need to understand everything and just trust my timing. The path is clearing. The breakthrough isn't just coming, it's here. It begins now, in this moment, with your choice to believe. Your weariness will be turned into strength. Your sorrow will be turned into joy. The harvest of your blessing is ready because you didn't give up. Walk forward in the confidence that I am with you, that I am for you, and that nothing can stand against you. Be still and know that I am God. Be at peace. If this message has been a blessing to you, share it with one other person who needs to hear that they haven't been forgotten, and subscribe for more divine messages to strengthen your walk of faith. Now go forth in the peace and power that is your inheritance. You are loved, you are seen, and you are never, ever alone. Amen.